show you how to make a candle. If you don't have a candle, it's too late to go out and get a candle. So if you don't have one, you have this stuff in your kitchen, you can make yourself a candle. So let's get to it. Okay, so if your power goes out and you don't have any electricity, you need a candle. Here's what you do. Grab you a jar. Now this is just any kind of jar. It can be a glass, anything, glass. So you can use rice or you can use beans. But if you know me, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use these broke necklace right here. You can just, what it is you're just trying to make it full to the top. So I'm just going to put this necklace in here. And them beads just went everywhere. Lord, I'm going to have to sweep now. Anyway, go ahead and put your little bling bling in there. I mean, if you want to. I like bling bling, so I'm going to use bling bling. Okay, I just think that looks cute. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put water up to here. Let me get some water. Okay. And then now we're going to use some oil. Now this is just regular vegetable oil. Pour that in. Up to yay high. And then I think I probably should have put some more stuff in there. Then you're going to put a Q-tip in there. And we're going to light it. If I can get it lit. Okay. Now you got yourself a light. Also, you know, I like to jazz it up a little bit. So I got me some little ribbon. I made a circle. Added me a little bow to it. A flower, rather. And now I think it's cute.